The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Teller County in central Colorado, west central El Paso County in east central Colorado, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Woodland Park, or 19 miles northwest of Colorado Springs, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Woodland Park around 12:50 p.m. Green Mountain Falls and Cristola around 12:55 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.